It's never too early to talk about Advent calendars, so stay tuned. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to share that my Advent calendar, the Hooting Pirate Advent Calendar, is now open for pre-orders. The link is in the description below if you want to go right now and order yours. But keep watching, there's no spoilers. These images are from last year's Advent calendar. I wanted to show you this one to give you an idea of what's in the Advent calendar without giving you any spoilers. True to the Hooting Pirate, we are going to go on a treasure hunt every day in December leading up to Christmas. Each day's gift is wrapped beautifully with love and care to put a smile on your face every day as you open your daily gift. Whenever possible, I've eliminated single-use plastic. Everything is recyclable or reusable. You can use the bags, for example, in your planner as paper. You can even reuse the number stickers in your December daily album. The thing that makes Advent calendar so great and so fun is that excited feeling you get each and every day. You can't wait until the next day. Some days you want to open tomorrow's gift immediately after opening today's. Why not set yourself a daily ritual? Take some time for yourself and open your gift. Pour yourself a cup of tea, light a candle, and sit for a moment to yourself in what is probably the busiest month of the year. Each day, take the time to open that gift to yourself. And then the next day, do it again. Make yourself a cup of tea, take it to a quiet place, light a candle, and open that gift that's just for you. Then, as the month goes on, you're going to look forward not only to the gift, but also to that little pause in the middle of your day. That cup of tea, the smell of your favorite scented Christmas candle, and then getting to really cherish your daily gift. For the most part, the gifts are going to be stationery or planner orientated. There's washi and pens and stickers and clips and all kinds of fun things that you can add to either your Christmas planner or your regular planner in December. And just like our subscription boxes, there's also treats in the Advent calendar and also tea bags, because what would the Hooting Pirate be without some tea? Mixed in among the stationery, the tea, the treats, there's also some fun Christmas items. Last year there were Christmas socks, gingerbread man cookie cutters, and lots of other things to bring a bit of the season to your day. As I said before, each item in the Hooting Pirate Advent Calendar is wrapped with care. Each one is a little gift wrapped with love. There's so much attention to detail, and you'll have all these supplies that you can use in your planner right away. The treats and gifts like the socks will make you smile and put you in that Christmas spirit. If you pre-order today before September 15th, you will save $5 on your calendar. So don't wait. Order today and your calendar will ship in November, and you will be able to go on a mini treasure hunt every day to get a special little treasure just for you. So click on that link in the description below, reserve your Advent calendar now, make sure that you get one before we run out, and treat yourself this December. If you'd like to watch the full unboxing, that link is in the description below. If you've ordered your 2022 Advent calendar, then here are 2 more videos I think you will like. You can subscribe here by clicking on my little face. If you made it this far, please leave me any Christmas emoji in the comments below. Have a fantastic day and happy planning!